Craving for a satisfying snack while you're fasting? Get ready to enjoy this delicious Vrat ki Aloo Chaat, an easy recipe from scratch. Let's start by making the chaat chutney. I'm taking 2 cups of water in a pan on medium flame. Once the water is heated, I am adding 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of dry mango powder or amchur, 1 tablespoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, and rock salt or sendha namak to taste. Now I'm giving this a good mix and letting this boil on medium heat. Once this comes to a boil, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chilli flakes, If you observe, I have been continuously stirring the chutney so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the chutney thickens, know that it's ready. Even when not fasting, you can quickly whip up this chutney for the samosas, pakoras, dahi vadas or any chaat. We will let this cool down and in the meanwhile quickly make crispy potatoes for the chaat. The oil is hot for deep frying. I am dropping in 5 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and diced to fry. The oil here is the one I have during fast. That is the sunflower oil. Alternatively, you can fry them in desi ghee, peanut oil, sesame oil, or whatever oil you usually cook in during fast. Fried potatoes are a charm and they will taste great nevertheless. The potatoes have turned golden and I will show you a trick here to get the crispiest of the fried potatoes for this chaat. Now, I'm simply using the backside of a bowl and pressing the potatoes slightly. I'm increasing the flame to medium and putting the potatoes to refry for extra crispiness. These are done. Now we will be assembling the chaat. In a chaat leaf bowl, I am first placing some fried potatoes. Topping the crispy potatoes with the chaat chutney we made. On top of that, some whisked sweetened curd. You can add another layer of chutney if you wish. Into this, I am adding roasted cumin powder, red chilli powder, rock salt, and a few drops of lemon juice. That's it. A drool-worthy snack ready that you can enjoy while fasting and of course even without it. After all, when it comes to enjoying good food, there are no rules, right? Eat well, live well and stay blessed.